coming to you guys from my kitchen today. I'm in my PJs, I've got some bedhead hair going on, and I'm just going to show you guys how to make your own deodorant. So I'm going to continue on my DIY series here on my channel, and I want to show you guys how I make my own deodorant, what I use. I just use 3 products, and I've been doing this for about 6 months, so I really love this. I literally don't buy store-bought deodorant. I don't use store-bought deodorant. There's a lot of harsh chemicals in it, like aluminum, which for me can mimic estrogen levels, which I've read, and I've kind of stopped doing that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do your own natural way of making your own deodorant at home, and it's all got great benefits to it. You're not going to sweat, you're not going to stink, and it's freaking awesome. So if you guys want to see how I make my own deodorant, then just keep watching. So first off, you're going to need coconut oil. That is antibacterial properties. Then you're going to need cornstarch. That's also a thickener, but it also can help decrease sweating. And then baking soda is obviously a deodorizer. So now we're going to need a mason jar and then a spoon. And now you don't have to use a mason jar. You can use whatever container you want to place the product in. You're also going to need a mixing bowl to mix everything together with, and then a 1/3 measuring cup, but you guys can use whatever sizing cup you want to use. So I'm going to start off with the dry ingredients, mixing the baking soda and the cornstarch together, and I'm going to be using the same measuring cup for each of the 3 ingredients. So however, depending on size, how much of the batch you guys want to make is the determination of like what measuring cup you use. So I'm using 1/3, but you guys can use whatever you desire. So I'm going to go ahead and measure out my ingredients for the dry ingredients, and then I'll mix them together just because it's easier that way. So then I'm going to go ahead and measure out some coconut oil. This is virgin, like extra virgin, unrefined coconut oil. I'm using basically whatever I have in my kitchen, but whatever you have will work. And I'm going to go ahead and measure out 1/3 of a cup, and then I'm going to apply this to the mixture. So now you're just going to go ahead and mash that all together using the bottom end of your spoon just to kind of press it all together. And it's going to look like you need more coconut oil, but you really don't. I find it easier to do it when the coconut oil is straight from the jar and not melting it, because it's easy to get the products to stick to the coconut oil. So I just kind of mash it all together, and you'll see it start to kind of curd up a little bit, and that's what you want. So just getting it to kind of mix together, blending it together so it's all one big solid piece of stuff. So then after you mix it all together, you're going to go ahead and put it in a mason jar or whatever kind of jar container that you're using. In my case, it's a mason jar, and just putting it right inside with the spoon. So then this is the completed product. Now depending on the weather that you live in, if it's hot, your mixture may be a little bit soft, so if you need to, you can always put it in the fridge. And I use about this much on each armpit to kind of disperse throughout, and I just use my fingers basically. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!